Guys, without showing you too much, my new clients, a bicycle shop, they want to connect with more so of college students. That's a lack in their business. Is There's maybe 4 college campuses around me at the moment, and excuse me, y'all, I'm getting over COVID. But there's about 4 college campuses around the bicycle shop, and that's a lack in their business, the college kids. So they want me to come up with an app and design it, and if I needed to, come up with a product that will help them connect more with college students. So what I came up with is bicycle stations on college campuses, and each station will have a kiosk machine where it'll direct you and tell you everything you need to know about each bike at that bicycle station. So without showing you a lot, my color scheme is orange, black, and white, and gray. With we're doing the 60-30 rule, 60-30-10 rule, 60 being white, 30 being black, and 10 being the orange, which is more so my action call buttons. So you're just gonna scroll through this kind of fast, as you can see. And I'm just actually, as I'm scrolling through, I'm looking over everything. I have reiterated maybe 3 or 4 times. You can see here go my wireframe page up here, where I was creating my wireframes. If you go back down to my mockups, so go back to my mockups. So this is where we putting everything together. Okay. And like I say, as you doing working for clients, you have to keep going over and evaluate things, showing the stakeholders everything that they need, everything you're working on, so they can see and tell you how they're feeling. And even as I'm doing this, I'm seeing something. So point right here. I mean, cut myself off. So I have changed the gray tone a couple of times, and even I don't think, yeah, that's right. But this is the gray tone right here that I was going with, and actually it was just the same gray tone I was using for my wireframe. If we go back to my wireframe, let's go back to the wireframe. As you can see, it's just the same gray, but for the mock-up and getting more into the UI side, adding color and everything, I switched it to this right here, this gray. It's more of a lighter tone gray. So right now what I need to do is change this. And as you can see right here, my color palette, oh, well, it went away because I clicked on something. So let's go, we on it, let's click on it. All my color palettes are saved right here in the style portion. And I just click on it, real simple, and it's gone, voila. Okay, but I'm going through, I'm just scrolling and checking everything, making sure everything look good. Real simple. And I made this button right here and this button right here more bolder, stand out more, because you are actually, this when you're supposed to be excited. So add payment, you really not that excited, especially as a college student. But I'm here. This says let us know when you're at the station, meaning let the app know when you're at the kiosk, just like you would do at Chick-fil-A when they say let us know when you're here and we'll bring your food out to you. That's the same thing as right here. So this button right here, once you hit that, it's like, yes, I'm here. I'm here to get my bicycle. And it's to let you know. So it's more of an exciting button. That's why it's pretty bold, standing out. Or that's why it has the stroke around it like that. And this one the same way. It says enter your rider portal, which is the next screen. Your rider portal here. Return rental. And then thank you. If you earn reward points, this is always good for people who trying to gain more business, is give out reward points or any kind of reward status or anything like that to draw people to you. So the students will be able to use rewards for things in the shop. So a lot of students have their own bicycle, and a lot of times they need maintenance, or they may need a handlebar grip or anything, water bottle. They're gonna gain points and use it within the store, which would bring them to the store or do it online. So I just want to take y'all real quick through something I'm working on before I got really in depth into it, because I can't show you guys once I do get really in depth into it, this app, everything. And as you can see, we drop down here, more screens I haven't even started yet. Now that's really creative part of the app that I can't get into. But I got more screens worked on. This just if you had a bike station at your on campus, and the screens you would go through the flow of the screen. So Thank you guys for joining. Happy New Year, happy holidays, and blessings upon everyone.